welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we do have Dwayne, and he's explaining. He's saying that if he doesn't like someone, then he does not go on their page. And people are throwing shades at him, showing disrespect by coming to his page and, just being angry and leaving comments and other stuff on his page, showing angry faces and stuff, and just being straight up disrespectful. So he's saying that when he don't like someone, he don't go to their page. And he also wanted to address a point, to explain that he came to social media, and most of the things that he did it out of the goodness of his heart. At least he was trying to do it out of the goodness of his heart, but it turned into something else. But go ahead and watch the video for yourself, and please like, share, and subscribe, and comment on the channel.
I don't want to hold you. But yeah, everything I've done in social media, I really did a lot of these things with the best of intentions. However, clearly, I don't feel like I'm ever going to be... Yes, I know for a fact a lot of you appreciate me. I know some of you, not all of you, some of you do appreciate me, right? And I know for a fact the haters are going to love this. Call them. You know all of them by name. Call them. Come here, haters. Come here. This live is especially for you people. This live is especially for you people. Not so much my genuine people who cares for me. Not for the people who genuinely cares for my well-being and my happiness, so to speak. This is for you people, especially. I don't feel it. I don't feel it. I genuinely don't feel it. You are so rude. You see this person, Jenny Jeffers, right? This person's from Birmingham. You have no, honestly, I don't know why I don't know why you follow my page. Why do you follow my page, Jenny? Jenny, please help me to understand. Why do you follow my page? You clearly are a hater. Sometimes I see you make okayish comments, and sometimes I'm like, Jesus Christ, is this person, are you a human being? Are you human? Or are you an artificial intelligence who has no kind of principles, morals, no values? You just love to come to my page and just throw hate at me and throw shade at me and just be straight up disrespectful. I don't know what is wrong with some of you people. I really don't know what is wrong with some of you people. If I don't like someone, hi Lady V, if I don't like some of you, if I don't like people, I don't go to their page. Honest to God, I can't tell the last time I've gone to someone's page and be disrespectful. Honest to God, if I go to anyone's page, the most I do is say hello, make a few jokes, and just leave. If I feel to leave, that's what I do. Respect it's not that hard, people. It's not that hard. It is not that hard. If you don't like people, just don't go to their page. What are you getting out of being disrespectful to me, Jenny? Help me to understand. What are you getting out of being disrespectful to me? Are you expecting to be disrespectful back? You're not gonna get it. I know for a fact you I don't know if you hate me or not, because I've always said to you, please unfollow my page. I've always said unfollow me. Because you're bored, you get disrespectful. How does that make sense? How? I feel sorry for a lot of you people. I really do. I really do. Social media has really become toxic, and honestly, people, sometimes I feel like I really want to give up and just go back into my shell and just do my own thing. And I feel like anyways, I just want you guys to know, right? This is what I have to say. I'm not gonna drag it out any longer. I'm not gonna drag it out any longer. Right? I refuse. I'm thinking of the right words. Yes, bye, Jenny. Have a great night. I know you're bored in Birmingham because you live in country, and I live in London, and you're perhaps jealous of me living in London. I live in the city, and you live in some other country. Well, whatever, Jenny. Have a great night. God bless you. Anyways, I want you guys to know, right? This is what I want you guys to know. To my silent viewers, I don't know if the silent viewers hate me or whatever. I don't know. If you do, oh well, join the hate train. Join the rest of the people who hate me. However, I want you guys to know, I genuinely, you guys are amazing people. You guys are really amazing people. The ones who are true, the ones who really care for me. I really appreciate you people's especially the ones who calls me my phone and talks to me. Knowing that you guys know I rarely go out of my home and whatever. Like, for the fact that you guys take time out of your busy day to contact me, Corinne, Tashi, the list is endless. I really appreciate you guys, and I want you guys to know I genuinely appreciate all of you, whether you are a silent viewer or not, whether you've interacted with me or not. I really appreciate you people, and I'm very thankful for all of the laughs, all of the I'm thankful for everything, all of the support, all of the laughs you guys have given to me over the time since I've taken to my life. I really am trying to do better. I really am trying to just move away from certain things. Yes, I will still chat about people's business. However, like I feel like I'm at a point now where I'm ready to move away from a lot of all of these negative personalities on social media, and a lot of people really are somewhat negative, right? So I feel like I am gonna do my best to just, if they have their debacles, their nonsense, whatever, I won't talk about it, because if I talk about it, then that's giving them ammunition to come at me, you know. And I'm not a person who likes to cause any kind of animosity between me and anyone. I am a person of love, and if you don't appreciate me, that's okay. Just know that I don't hate any of you, and I genuinely wish a lot of you people well. I really do. Whether you believe it or not, thank you, Lady V, thank you. Whether you people believe it or not, I really do wish all of you well, even if we've had any kind of back and forth, whatever the case may be. Just know that I really do wish all of you well. And also to my genuine supporters, I really do care and love for all. I love you.